Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing a gaming mouse pad that has RGB lights around it. To be honest with you, I bought this because it has the USB port and it was the cheapest one. Shop from Amazon, sold by GIM Direct. And also you can get these from anywhere on Amazon. Bear with me, let's get to unboxing and then let's review it. Very nice box, by the way. And it says on the box it has 4 USB ports. Let's get to unboxing. Very rubberish texture on the back. On the front of it, it is very comfortable, very thick, very smooth. It works perfectly with your mouse. You can put your keyboard on here. Now, let's plug it in. I don't know if you can see clearly, but there's some lights. Looks like it's changing colors. And here's the button that you can change the color. Very soft material. I can put my keyboard on there. Works perfectly. Mouse. Very comfortable to move. Very nice material. And there's 4 USB ports. And here's a button that you can change colors. You can pick whatever color you want. But I'm going to choose the changing color mode. And the reason I got this is because it has a lot of room. So whenever you or I'm playing my games or whatever you're doing, it's like very nice. You can move your keyboard all the way over there. You can just move your mouse around, and that's all. I hope you liked this video, and see you all next time.